was your, teenage years?
The teenage years for me was quite hard because growing up, I thought these things would make me happy, going out partying, drinking, girls. When I got to the age of 18, I was absolutely calamitized by money and women and alcohol, power. I used to have a godlike complex. I used to think I was better than people. Honestly, I used to think nothing can touch me. I used to think I had some sort of significance, and it was very, very wrong. I really hated who I was. I used to think these things would make me happy because I couldn't be happy. Nothing made me happy in this world. I was never happy. I could have all the money in the world. I'd have 10 women around me. I'd have a big pile of cash behind me. I'm not happy. Nothing would be happy. Nothing would make me happy, no matter what I'd done. And the older I get, the higher the levels got, and the more I'd get, and the more I wouldn't be happy. So, it got even worse because I thought, if this can't make me happy, nothing's going to make me happy. And I was miserable. I was absolutely miserable. I was lost. I had no guidance. I would drink myself to death on the night. No one's there for me when I was down and out. And no one was truly there for me as a friend. They'd only want me to go down with them. We'll all go down together. And what I used to think was a friend, it was not a friend at all. I know that now. I have a son. I had a failed relationship. She wanted me to stop going to the clubs and drinking, and I'd kept going there, and I'd kept going there. Very selfish. She'd left me. I'd lost my son. My father passed away. I'd lost my father. I'd lost everything. My father made me happy. My son made me happy. And I used to think all these materialistic things.